We're at ABB Robotics UK, the Milton Keynes head office. Matt, what I want to know is, where's ABB been last year, where are you now, and what's happening going forward?
We're fortunate to come off a great year in 2019. We had a record year with about 50 systems going into machine tending applications. So we had some interesting partnerships with very, very interesting projects, some of them which you'll see and you'll follow on your MTD channel. The likes of the system with ETG. I know we're doing I think it's a week-by-week coverage of the build of that cell, so very exciting, worth looking out for. Some fantastic technologies going on there.
So 2019, fantastic year. The ETG one is going on as we speak?
Correct, yes. It's currently in build, with part of it being built in Sweden, part of it in the UK, and the two coming together middle of this year.
And a bespoke turnkey solution?
Yeah, very bespoke turnkey solution, bringing in some very high-level technology elements that should be really exciting to see. Some firsts for us, and I think firsts for the industry.
Okay, and system integrators. I mean, we've done videos with people like DEM, for example.
System integrators has been quite a key part of our success, getting out there and promoting our products. I think they've seen the advantages of the ease of use and flexibility our systems have provided, and that's been a good portion of our business last year.
Excellent. Now we're here at the head office, Milton Keynes. You've got two specific robot cells we're going to look at. So in terms of picking the parts, what sort of vision systems have you got on these?
Okay, the system behind us is an FP300, so that's a 2D vision system, but designed to take parts from a stillage or a tote bin. The operator will pour them into the back of the system. That will then unscramble them, sort them, and take them onto a single layer that enables a 2D vision system and then to pick them up. So that's an alternative to a bin picking system.
Okay. And then on the FP800, how's that working?
On the FP800, that is a 3D system. So the idea is where you've got larger parts, maybe castings, they're on a pallet, it can be a rough pallet, any kind of pallet or stillage that you use to move the parts around the facility. It can work its way through the pallet, determining the layer, the orientation the parts are lying in the pallet, and then pick them up and even deal with the layer cards. But that has to be for a larger pallet where we've got larger components.
Now, if anybody's interested in these types of processes, where are they going to see you?
You're going to see them at MAC. Both the FP300 and the FP800 will be on the MAC stand.
Okay. And you're actually going to have an AVG on there as well, is that right?
Yeah, that's right. Obviously, one of the key benefits, if we've got a pallet coming in that hasn't been touched by any humans, how do we go as pallets into the cell? AGV is an ideal way of doing that. So we've got hopefully a good key link that kind of brings everything together.
Matt, thank you very much. So fantastic 2019, fantastic systems here, but you can see them at MAC, a total automation solution.